light blue color, purple color, red color and another yellow color. Let's start the video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful teddy bear with connecting alphabets. Here I draw a teddy bear face and I draw some dots. Let's connect the dots and see, this will be a beautiful teddy bear face. At first I am coloring the teddy bear face and then I will connect the dots. I complete to color the face. Let's start to connect. Let's connect A to Z alphabet. Wow, the teddy bear face is ready. Let's start to color it. Wow, the teddy bear is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.